Yeah, my fellow beloved ones, I am about to do what I don't actually know how to do, so bear my mistakes, but pick the point that I'm about to make. 3 points that I will be sharing with you concerning our beloved brother Dr. Allen Onyema. I want to also share my own view, not just sharing views. Let him know that there are people who is really praying for him. Dear beloved brother Onyema, if you eventually come across this video, we are wishing you well. We know you are coming out better than you were before. Not just that we are wishing you well, we know and pray that God will vindicate you. It's not easy to have a godly heart like yours and something is coming up to dent the image you are putting out there. In case if you are watching this video or watching this clip and you don't know what I'm talking about, this beloved brother called Allen Onyema, the owner of Peace Airline, is alleged in November 24th, this 2019, in Atlanta, that his airline was accused of money laundering about $20 million US. But I've also read his own words where he refuted their accusation. He said the founder of a major airline in Nigeria has been charged with bank fraud and money laundering for allegedly moving more than 20 million from foreign source through American bank account and using it in part to pay for living expenses, luxury car, and high-end shopping, according to US official and federal court document. And this our beloved brother, we are aware of him being a sort of help to so many Nigerians, that he was the one God used to rescue so many of them. And here he is going through this kind of situation now. The only major airline we have in Nigeria at the moment, he owns this. And let me read out what he has said. The American companies that received the fund are still in business. He is talking about those who received the fund that made the accusation come up. They are still in business. He stated, I never took a penny from any US bank or Nigerian bank. I am willing to defend my innocency in the US court. One of my points is, I want to start by saying, don't laugh, but pray for him. Don't laugh, but pray for him. He is our beloved brother. He is one of the most prominent man that we can put up out there as a good citizen of the country. Satan is using some people to work against good Nigerians. There are good Nigerians out there. In fact, 70% are good. I will vouch this. People you see in that country, they are good. They have good heart. These are people who are going through shocking situation, but they are still having positive mind. But the system is what is pushing us so far and so beyond. I will continue to keep my positive mind over Nigerians. This video, like I said before, will cover just 3 points. One, I will talk about praying for him. Our beloved brother Allen Onyema. Praying for him is one of the issues that I will talk about, and I will talk about is only alleged, is only just a suspect, which he is allowed to defend himself. The third one, I will raise a caution to anyone Satan is using over that country, or Satan is using against the good ones. Talking about praying for him, yes, as a Christian, we mourn with those who mourn, rejoicing also with those who rejoice. Book of Romans 12 verse 15. But for someone going through struggle, going through such accusation like he, let's just wish him well, be sober with him, and give him time to recover. Whatsoever you sow, that is also what you will reap. I know if you are rejoicing because your brother or your sister is in trouble, you will as well fall into such situation and everybody will mock you. For this our beloved brother, he has been good. He is a good person. For what we have seen, the little we have seen, I will vote him a good person. You can as well shout out, this is my first time doing this kind of video. So praying for him, it could be in your place, it could be silent, it could be verbal like I'm doing now. So I pray that any any situation that Satan has put just to bring you down, Lord in heaven, we call on you. I join hands with anyone watching me right now. I pray that Satan's plan will fall. I pray that he will come out better than he was. He will come out and be more greater than anyone can think. So if you agree with me in this prayer, share this video. Maybe one day the video will come across his ear and he will be encouraged. He will as well know that those Nigerians he do help, they are also there to speak of him. My second point is to talk about him being just a suspect. I had a friend ranting so bad, and that is one of the reasons why I'm making this video, because the way this guy was spitting from his mouth, I was like, have you met this man before? Why will you be talking as if he has stolen your things before? Why will you be counting him among those who stole the Nigerian money? Why will you be thinking that he is your problem? I tried to ask him, but that wasn't good enough, and I decided to also speak out, at least for people's hearing. People are writing too. I saw on the Facebook commenting as if they were there. Some of these people don't even read what really happened. They will just hear he was like, I know before. The moment they hear anything, a suspect news about someone, they will conclude or they will believe it is a truth. We know about this government magic. We know it. It has been for long. It's just a government magic. In this case, is because they couldn't handle it in our place, and now they're involving USA so that it will affect him and affect his airline. You know, they are involving USA because that is the only way for them to catch him, to manifest as if something really happened. That leads me to the third point, which is a caution to anyone Satan is using. I join fellow Nigerians to raise curse on those that Satan is using. If Satan is using you, you know yourself. And to you, my beloved brother, Dr. Allen Onyema, the CEO of Peace Airline, I join good fellow Nigerians and fellow Africans. I join them to wish you quick recovery from this attack. I pray and I join them to pray, and we are wishing you, we just want you to know that there are good ones out there behind you. We cannot help one way or the other. What we can only do is to borrow out our voice and speak out. One day it might reach your ear. Just be courageous. We pray you get stronger, and as you recover, don't forget that Nigerians and the poor masses out there prayed for you. We are praying for you. Continue the good work you are doing. Don't let what people are saying and this their magic to get over you. There is greater future ahead of you, and God will still use you. He is about to use you for more, and he will continue to use you for his glory. Thank you for the great work you've done. Once again, for helping the South African strandees. Please receive our thanks and do more, because there are more to do. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.